There was a time when the sky was dry and hope was gone. For 3 years, not a single drop of rain had fallen. But Elijah stood on Mount Carmel and declared, "I hear the sound of abundance of rain." He heard what no one else could see. While others saw drought, Elijah spoke destiny. Sometimes in life, you'll stand in your own season of drought when nothing seems to move and prayers feel unanswered. But like Elijah, keep believing, keep praying, and keep looking toward the clouds. Faith always sees rain before it falls. Your waiting is not wasted. The clouds are gathering, and your downpour is on the way. Keep the faith. Your miracle is closer than you think.
It is beginning to rain.